How to reset AssistiveTouch menu on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Accessibility. Then we tap on Touch. Next, tap on AssistiveTouch at the top. Now in here, tap on Customize Top Level Menu. Then we go down and tap on the Reset button, and that will reset your AssistiveTouch menu. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.